Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I hope that all of you are fine, feeling well, and I hope that you people are studying a lot at home, and I hope that you are taking your first monthly exam, second monthly exams actually, with full energy and enthusiasm. What we are going to do over here, we are going to extend this chapter that we were doing last time, and we had done about all about tables. Now what we were going last time, we were doing basically the links, and I had told you that link may be a normal link when you will see in your Google Classroom. Then when you have visited, it will change its color. Just like when it is a normal link, I am saying that it should be blue. When you have visited, it will be green. I have mentioned the green color. When you will bring the mouse cursor on it, it will become red. And when you will click on it, and you will uh, bring the mouse cursor on it, it will become red. And when you are clicking on it, so it will become orange. Okay, so all these are the options that we had applied to this text. And these four types, are given in your book. If I open the book in front of you, the same chapter, so you will be asked about these all things in this chapter. Okay, and I am also going to share over here the exercise questions, so that you can write in a proper way in your exams. So what we were doing, we were there on page number this one, linking. Linking I had explained you last time. Keep your cameras closed. Just look at the screen right now. Keep the cameras closed. Okay. So linking, for the sake of linking, I explained you that there are three types of links: internal link, local link, and global link. Internal link will be which will be on the same page, local link which will be for the other page of the same website, and global link which will be for any other website. And I had explained you the complete procedure for this. And normal link, visited link, active link, and hover. These are the options that I had shown you by a practical example. uh, just like if you take this example, this is the example where I have opened one file. Okay, so whatever I have changed some things over here, let me save, because I have taken blue color by default. I have taken the blue color of the link is there. And when we will visit it, then after visit it will become green. So we have visited, so it is showing you green. And when I press it, then it is showing you the color which is changed. So this is basically mouse over. Even go back, if you will click, so it will go to back page. Now this is the page on which we are moving. So this is basically an internal link that we have created, and I have not given you this coding. So I would like to give you this coding in today's lesson by reusing this post. See over there, you will receive this data in your Google Classroom. What are the things which are covered over here? Defining color links, anchor tag, and color links. Okay, which is standard link, then active link, visited link, mouse over. Okay, link, visited, active, and mouse over. These are the options that we have studied, and for them I'm going to give you two files over here. You will download these files and you will run these files, so you will be able to get the result. Let me upload over here these files, and then we will see the rest of the chapter. These are two files, answers and the quiz. You will go to quiz. Okay, you will go to quiz, and over there you will see the link of answers, and you will click on it, so you'll be able to see the link of the answer as well. Today it is 5th of September. Okay, so this was the topic that we had done last time, and all these codings I had explained you last time in my discussion. Now, the next question is basically about the image links, how we can use, image links in our working. So for that, I have got some files that I'm going to share over here with you people. And these are the same things, same kind of things which are there in your Google Classroom, and the same chapter that we are studying. From that chapter, I am going to give you this link, how to apply image link. What will be the strategy to give image link? See that this is basically Google search icon. I have given it the name of search. Okay, this is basically Google search icon. So if I open it, I am downloading this and I need to apply this. I just want to actually apply in my document. So this is basically an image on which I am going to apply the image link. Okay, this is basically where I have applied. See the coding. See the coding over here. I have used ahref http google.com. Google.com will be opened when I will click this image. See, what is the name of the image? Search.jpg. If this image is not there or the file name is incorrect, so this image will not be visible. For example, search one I have mentioned. So when I have mentioned search one, so it is not going to find out this file, and it will become an issue for us because there won't be file available. So there will be an issue, and the file will not be available. Just like you can see that this is an icon, the file is not available. So if you will write the right name of the file, just like search.jpg, and I'm going to save it. And now when I will open this file, see over here, I am going to open this file, which is basically this one. Okay, it is right now, it is not showing me the output. Let me see over here the spelling of the file name, search.jpg, and the file location should also be same. Here you see search, it is there in chapter number 4. Yes, this is there in chapter number 4. And what is the spelling? Spelling is SEARC. Walaikum Assalam. We are going through different topics of chapter number 4 and chapter number 3 and 4. Both are going to come in your monthly exams. You must know about it. Okay, so search.jpg is, this is the file that I am going to use over here, and this is the file that I am going to use. And this link will be opened when this file will be clicked search.jpg. This is the extension. Okay, let me save the file, and let me open this file in Google Chrome, because sometimes it happens that your browser is not supporting. Yes, Internet Explorer was not supporting the image, so I opened it. Now you will see that when I'm bringing my mouse cursor over here, it is showing me that it is basically a link. Students, please see over here, it is an image link. When I click, so google.com will be opened. When I click on it, google.com will be opened. So this is basically the method how to give an image as a link. Give an image as a link. This is very important thing, and that is the thing that I have explained you over here in this line. Let me show you the coding once again. This is the coding that I am showing you over here. So it will be opened in this way, where you have mentioned the name of the image, which will be linked with the address, whatever you are mentioning. If you will write over here yahoo.com, so yahoo.com will be opened, whatever the website it is. Okay, students, this point is clear. Students, please give me the feedback that this point is clear to all of you. Now see how we can include audio. This thing is also very important, that how to utilize the audio tags. This is the code that I'm going to show you. In order to save the time, I have already typed this code that I'm going to run over here. This is one file, and audio tags, this is one file that I'm going to open over here. Okay, And similarly, we have got one, what is the method of embedding audio. All these are there that I'm going to explain you right now. You will see the code and you will see the output, then you will be able to understand. And how to include a video on your web page. This is also an important thing. How to include video. For that purpose, you must have the video. So I am going to give you a short video as well. A short video as well I'm going to give you over here. That is my audio and video. Yes, two files are there that I'm going to give you. This is the video file, audio file, and this is the video file. Let me download it. I will provide you in your Google Classroom. You don't worry about it. All this material I'm going to give you. Now see, let me open over here the downloads and I'm going to show you all these outputs. Okay, all these outputs which are there. Okay, this is the file. These are the files that we have done right now. Embed video, audio. This is the work that we are going to cover today's lesson. Keep in mind, all these things are going to come in your paper. Now see what is meant by what is the use of audio tag, how to use audio tagging. Now see, same pattern is there. HTML doc, head, title, all these things are same. In the body section, I have given one heading, the audio element, one paragraph is written, click on the play button to play is found. Now see what are the controls. Audio controls are, we have to mention this tag, audio controls. Your book is also describing the same thing. Audio control over here, you will see over here on which page, on audio and video control. Audio controls are there. You know, you can see over here on the page, on page number 73. What are the audio controls? How to control the audio? How to include audio in your work? Okay. So over here you will see that I have given one title over here. Then audio controls is equals to, in double quotes you have to mention controls source kalimba.mp3. I have taken another file. I have mentioned another file, myaudio.mp3. Okay. Audio controls is equals to controls, autoplay is equals to automatically it will be played, and loop means loop. Loop means if it is done, so the file will play again. If it is done, then the file will play again. Okay. And what is the name of the file? I have taken this audio file. I am going to give you in your Google Classroom, myaudio.mp3. myaudio.mp3 is there that I am going to give you. Here is the file. Here is, this is the audio. This is my audio that I am going to call in the Google. Okay, I'm going to call it in the web browser in my coding, and I have mentioned its name over here. Okay, so let me run this file. If I will run this file, open with Google Chrome, you will be able to see that it is showing me one player. Students, will you please give me feedback? Why this player is coming over here? Because I have taken this, see over here, but I have mentioned in the coding, I have mentioned about, this is not the code. Let me open over here. Which one is the code? Here is the code. Open with Notepad. This is the code. Okay. So over here, I have mentioned about that audio controls is equals to audio and autoplay option I have used. And I have given the source name, that basically this is the source. Source is myaudio.mp3. Now, when I will click on it, it will play. It is playing the audio and you are able to see that it is 27 seconds long. At the end, I have forwarded it. At the end, when it will be over, it will replay again. Why it is going to replay again? Because I have given over here that loop is equals to loop. Okay, I have mentioned over here that we are going to apply the loop, and on audio tags, let me open this Word file for you. That in the audio tags, we have got this thing, loop indicates replaying the audio file when finished. Source will identify the file that you want to play. Control is the main tag which is going to be used displays the control on the web page, and autoplay means displays the audio files automatically when web page is loaded. So these are the words that we are going to use. We can also mention all these things over here. So I hope that this point is clear. Same is the method for the video. See the coding of the video. What is the coding for the video? In video, we mention the length and breadth of the player, that what is the length and what is the breadth of the player that you want to have. Just like I have mentioned over here that video will be used. See there, this is the code. Video will be used, width will be 800 and height will be 600. And controls are source earth video.mp4. I have taken over here one earth video. You see in my folder, there is video. Yes, there is the video. This is the video that I'm going to call in my web page. I'm going to call this video in my web page. This is a short video. Okay. So what is the coding we have done over here? That we are specifying the length and breadth of the video player, that what should be the height and what should be the width. Okay. Now if I go and if I run this file, in the Google Chrome, see that player is there, player buttons are there, play button is there, max button is there, volume button is there. You can minimize the volume, you can increase the volume. Okay. And I click on play button. Now see, it is 800 by 600. 800 by 600. If I go there and I change it, for example, 1000 by, let's suppose 1200 by 800. So you will see, you will notice that the size of the player, let me save it, otherwise result will not be there. The size of the player is changed now. Size of the player is changed now. Okay, now I click on it. You can see that the video is playing. Video is playing. You can see over here. Okay, fine. This thing is clear. Students, please give me the feedback about it. This point is clear. Yes, students, this point is clear quite.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So this is how we can include video. So I am going to give you all these files in your Google Classroom in today's lesson. And what we have covered over here, audio tags and video tags. All these things are covered over here. And you can just download these files and you can apply these options which are given over here with the codes I am giving you. Okay. Okay. Students, just check and see over there that you are able to see these all files. You will download these files. You will put all these files in one folder, and then when you will run, audio will be linked. This is the audio file that I have given you. Video will be linked. This is the video file that I have given you. Short video, very short video. If it will be long video, so it will take time to be loaded. Short videos I have taken over here. Okay, students, so this is how you can include audio, and this is how you can include video. And size of the player you can manage yourself. That's what will be the size of the player. You can manage by yourself quite conveniently. Okay, I hope that this thing is clear. Now one more thing is there, embedded tag. Embedded tag is also there, which is used for videos. Embedded will be used for both, for audio and video. Okay, if you are not sure about the file and you are including it, so you can take audio or video, both the things, by mentioning the embedded tag. Okay, so I have also given you, I think, this embedded file as well. This is the embedded file. Over here, if you will see the coding, you will be able to see that we have used this tag, embedded source. Embedded source, whatever the source will be, it will be played. Okay, just like we have taken the video over here. So video has been played over here. Video will be played according to the mentioned size, which is basically the breadth and the length of the video. So embedded tag is also used in order to include the audio and video. I have explained you this thing as well. Okay, then afterward there is another option which is about the frames. Okay, frames is also a very important thing. And how do we utilize the frames? Now we have to see this thing over here. The point about the audio tag, this is covered. And now we see the frames. Okay, using frames. 2 frames and 1 frame. These are the 2 files that I'm going to download over here. And I will also give you these files in your document. Classwork and the homework for this chapter will be uploaded inshallah in your Google Classroom, and you have to see it from the Google Classroom, and you have to prepare all these things because you know that these all things will be asked in your paper. Mostly the questions will be from the exercise, and I am giving you all exercise questions. Okay, see what is meant by the frames. Frames are basically, you will see over here the example of the frames. When you are making one website, one page, and you are taking multiple websites in that page. So basically, using that strategy, we are going to utilize the frames over here. So in a nutshell, I have explained you what is meant by frame. When I will show you the example, it will be quite clear to you. On a single page, what is meant by frame? Frames allow us to open more than one web page simultaneously in the web browser. At the same time, we are opening different web pages in a single file. In a single file, we are opening different web pages. This is basically the idea, behind the frames. Okay. Okay, you will be able to see 2 frames with styles and using 2 frames. Now you will see that there are 2 frames given over here. One is basically my own page, which is basically about the fruits, and one is about another website. It is basically a live website. How this is done? If you will go and will see the coding, you will be able to understand that basically we have got a frame tag. See over here, iframe. Iframe source images in the tables.html. Title is images in the table. We have given the title, and 300 by 300 is basically the width we have taken. And iframe seamless is equals to seamless source. What is meant by this? This is basically this iframe that we have used over here, and we have taken one website that we want to open in that source. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that we are going to open, let me open over here using 2 frames. See, what is the output over here? 2 pages are there. This is one page, this is a website. What is the name of the website? Name of the website is html.com. And over here, images in the table, this is my page that I have taken over here. And I am calling this image in my web page. Means I am opening 2 web pages in the same web browser. This is basically the idea behind the frames. So you must know at least the definition, if it may come in your papers, and you may be asked to define what are the tags. Source is there, width height is there, and seamless is there. Seamless shows an inline frame as part of the containing element. Okay, you can see over there making different portions in the web page. The making different portions in the web page is basically called the frame. Students, up to here all points are clear. Will you please let me know? Yes, students, I am going to share over here. Students, if you have got any question, please ask me. Please ask me, students, if you have got any question, kindly. Because we have less time. Yes,
No,
students.
sir.
Anything. These points are clear. I have given you all the data as well. Will you be able to apply it at home or not? You have to download the file and you have to run the file and you have to go through all these codings. Just please let me know about it. Kindly. Yes, by thumbs up sign, you can give me the feedback about it, students. Yes, please. Okay, I am going to upload your classwork and homework as well over here. For chapter 3, all the work was already given to you.
Sir, chapter 3 you have given in Google Classroom.
Yeah, inside the Google Classroom, all the things are there. Inside the
But
Google
sir,
Class.
chapter 4 is not sent yet.
Yet, I am going to upload it over here. You will check it right now and you will confirm me. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. See over there, I'm going to upload in your Google Classroom. In today's, not in today's lesson, in previous lesson, because I have mentioned over here that you will be provided the question and answer over here in previous lesson. Okay. Okay. Okay, students, please check this, that these files are visible to you or not. Please check this and just confirm me. This is available to you. Keep in mind that this file is very important for us for the sake of upcoming second monthly test exams. Yes, students, if you have got any question, please check it and just let me know that these files are given to you. See that these are uploaded. Exercise questions, these are uploaded over here. Please see over here. Yes, students. Your test will be conducted in your Google Classroom. Keep in mind on 9th, means on Thursday. On 9th of September. Okay, on 9th of September, it will be conducted, inshallah. Okay. Yes, students, if you have got any question, please ask me. Have you got any question?
No, sir.
Okay, all points are clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, all of you.